What gets you inspired? What gets you motivated? What gets you exhilarated? Where are the places that you like to go? Where you can fill up your visual bucket? Where you can get ideas and take that back to your work. I'm in New Jersey at Long Beach Island, enjoying a little bit of summer vacation. Traveled all the way from Montana to be here with my family for a reunion. We get together every 4th of July. And it's super fun, super relaxing. I wanted to talk about the need for this downtime to recuperate and just to refuel. And just to take time to see things and to be present with the people around you and the nature around you, and just to kind of soak it in and to be a sponge. It's nice to get the rhythm of your footsteps with the rhythm of the ocean. It's so important as an artist to designate areas of rich and deep experience. Consistent places where you can go to tap in to newness and purity and holiness. God's creation is spectacular. He is the ultimate artist and inspiration. His work is always being made. His power and His majesty is so evident. If you're feeling stressed out, if you're feeling like you're being overworked or overwhelmed, you gotta prioritize your reflection time, your downtime, and your alone time. You know, the scripture talks about having a prayer closet. And that basically means, a place to go away and be alone with God. So I recommend that, and I appreciate you guys watching this video. Please like it, subscribe to my channel, it'll be amazing, and you can always visit timdanyo.com to see some of my work and to get involved in the stuff that I'm doing. And also, I'm here to help you guys on this journey of being an artist and a creative. Thanks, guys.